Welcome back to another video review. Today I'm going to take a look at Lielongren's SoothingBox Pro white noise alarm clock, which includes a 3-watt high-sensitive driver speaker, 9 therapy soothing sounds for white noise, including 5 different ringtones for the alarm sound, and I'll give you samples at the end of this video. Other functions include sleep timer 5 to 600 minutes, snooze time 1 to 15 minutes, and their warranty includes a 45-day refund and 18-month warranty. So inside the box it comes with the power adapter cable and the USB power adapter, your warranty card, as well as the instruction manual. And straight out of the box, the unit itself is actually very beautiful. Lightweight, sleek, smooth design with buttons large, easily laid out, and a nice intuitive display screen. In the back you'll find the slot to insert your AA batteries. This is simply to provide backup power to the SoothingBox Pro in case of temporary power interruption. So simply attach the cable to the power adapter and plug it into the DC in jack. Once it's powered up and ready to go, here's how to set the date and time. Simply hold the time set button down for 2 seconds. Then you'll see the hour flashing on the display. Now using the up and down keys, you can set the time to your liking. If you press the time set button one more time, now you can set the correct year, as well as the month and the day. You have options to set up to 2 alarms if you require. Simply hold down the Alarm 1 button for 2 seconds and you'll see the hour flashing under Alarm 1 on the front display. From there you can set the alarm to your desired time using the up and down keys once again. Just press the alarm button again to change from hours to minutes. You'll also have the options for either 1 to 7, which means every single day of the week, and 6 and 7, which means Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 5, which means weekdays, Monday to Friday. If you just want the alarm to activate for one day, use 1-1 option. Here's a quick little sample sound of the buzzer alarm. To stop the alarm, just hit the snooze dimmer button on the top. If you want to turn the alarm off completely, just press one of the up or down buttons, and then it'll reset to start the next day. To listen to and choose the alarm ringtone, simply press the alarm ringtone button and hold it for 2 seconds. Here's a quick sample of some of the alarm ringtones that you can choose from. Just press the up or down button to simply sift through the options. To adjust the volume, just press the volume button 1 time, and then use the up and down arrows to select your volume. The sound quality is very good, and at the loudest setting, it's definitely loud enough to wake up even the heavy sleepers. To set the snooze timer, simply hold it down for 2 seconds, and you can select anywhere between 1 to 15 minutes of snooze time between alarm activations. You can also set a sleep timer. Just hold the button down for 2 seconds and you'll see the minutes flashing on the front display. The sleep timer allows you to play a white noise in the background and fall asleep to it, but not have to worry that you're going to leave the alarm clock playing all night. You can set it up for as long as 15 hours, or just 5, 10, 15, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, up to you. And lastly, here are some sample sounds of both white noise as well as the alarm ringtones. I have to say that I was very impressed with this little alarm clock. The quality of the build felt really good. The design was beautiful, smooth. The buttons have a nice rubbery texture to it. Large buttons, well placed around the clock. The screen is very clear, very sharp. The sound quality is wonderful, and you have several options to choose from: white noise and alarm ringtones, as well as various functions such as up to 2 alarms, snooze timers, sleep timers, and overall it's very simple and easy to use. So if you or anyone you know is looking for a white noise alarm clock, I would highly recommend the SoothingBox Pro. Be sure to check the links in my description below on where you can find this alarm clock. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And if you found this little review helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be doing a lot more reviews in the near future. So until next time,